everyone, my name is Mikayla and I'm here with TripGruv, and I've been a flight attendant for a major US airline for a little over 3 years. And here are some of my favorite essential products that I bring with me on every trip. So here I like to call this my health and wellness bag. In it I have medications such as Pepto-Bismol, especially when I'm traveling to other countries where having some foods that I've never had before and it might upset my stomach, so it's really nice to have that. I do have a bunch of these little electrolyte drinks with me at all times. These are from Costco, from the brand True Labs, and they have really great flavors. Really recommend this brand. I do have some lozenges for when I'm feeling a little bit sick or dry throat. Also, I really love these deodorant wipes. See? I think I got these from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, but it's really great to stay refreshed throughout the day, especially if you don't have access to a shower. These are really great when camping as well. And what else? I do have a little pack of tissues, Allegra. I have really bad allergies, so I have the 24-hour Allegra that I take every day. I do have Benadryl with me. Just never know with allergies. I do have a food allergy, so I like to keep this with me at all times. And I do have a little pack in my purse as well. Some bandages. And what else? Oh, I do have it somewhere in here. There they are. Some Tums. I like to keep Tums with me as well. And lastly, I have this little pack of earplugs with me. I like to keep it, especially if the hotel has kind of thin walls or I can hear the people out in the hallway. It's nice to have these with me. All right, that's all that's in my health and wellness bag. And on to the next. I always keep Clorox wipes with me. Fun fact, airplanes do not get cleaned as often as you think, especially deep clean, that is. After every flight, they're vacuumed, and sometimes things are wiped down, but it's nice to be able to wipe down your seat or tray. These are also great to use on your suitcase if you have a hard case and want to get some bacteria or whatever may be on it off of it. So great to have those with you. Something that I always keep in my suitcase is this Downy Wrinkle and Release Spray. It's really great if you have some clothing items that get wrinkles really easily and you don't have access to an iron or a steamer. This is really great, and I love the smell of it. So it's nice to keep your clothes smelling really nice and just refreshed, especially if they're getting that stale smell that might be from keeping in a backpack or a suitcase for a long period of time. Kind of going off of smell, I have this potpourri bag that I have a couple of them in my suitcase to make everything smell really nice. These are all little lavender packets, so I really love that. Another thing is this passport case. It's really great to keep your passport unbent, and it kind of keeps it away from water. This one also has a little spot for an air tag, which is really great, especially if I've run out the door and I think, oh my gosh, I might have left my passport. You can just kind of go on your phone and see that your passport's either with you or if you left it at home. It's really great. Also, if you're in another country and you like to keep your passport with you, it does have a little wallet space that you can put some credit cards, visas, global entry, whatever may be in your case with you too while you're traveling, and it's very compact. It will fit in a backpack or purse really easily, or maybe even a pocket. And the last thing with me are these packing cubes. I know a lot of people have gotten onto this, but packing cubes are really great because they come in all different sizes and you can keep all your clothes rolled up in here, and it is easy to put in a backpack, suitcase. Also, if you're staying in a hotel or a home where you have some drawers, it's nice that you can just take these out and just place them straight into the drawer. Really recommend these to keep your bag really organized. And that is all of my essentials. Thank you for watching. I'll have, if I can find the products listed, I will put the links down below. Thank you for watching.